Hello, I'm Mantak Chia, greeting from the Tao Garden northern part of Thailand. Tao practice involved with the study of the way of the heaven, how the heaven run, the way of the nature, how the nature run, and the way of the human. And now, when the Tao practice is how human interacting with the heaven, how human interacting with the nature, and how to live harmony together with the nature and each other. So in the Taoist, they always like to talk about yin-yang balance, or we call peace. Peace is everybody equal, everybody happy. We say equal, okay? So we have negative and positive yin-yang Tai Chi. So yin-yang Tai Chi, that means when the yin and yang, heaven and earth, and the nature and the universe, and human living how to harmony with the nature, how to harmony with the heaven. And that is the study of the Tao. And the one thing in the Tao practice is how to understand yourself first. The first thing you have to be learn how to turn into yourself and make yourself happy. Make yourself healthy. Healthy is one of the very important practice in the Tao. We have very detailed step-by-step practice. So we have like the inner smile, how to smile to yourself, and the second sound, how to make the five major organs, the sound of the five major organs. In the Tao said, a healthy organs producing one sound, a sick organ producing another sound. So that's why in the Tao very emphasize that how can you learn the right sound, and when you practice, you resonate the right sound into the organs. So that is the healthy sound of the organs. If the organ are not healthy, they resonance different sound. So the whole practice is involved with getting yourself healthier, how to balancing your negative emotional and positive emotional. You try to be always doing good. The Tao said, don't have to try to be doing good. You only understand a balance, okay? So yin yang mean a balance. You don't have to try to be absolutely good and absolutely bad. Bad, we are not learn how to do that yet. But good, we can learn how to be. No need much, just a little bit over, because the negative emotional grow faster, positive emotional grow very slow. So all we do is we learn a little bit how to be, learn how to love yourself. When in the Tao said, when you learn how to love yourself and learn how to smile to yourself, and the West discovered that when we smile, you activate your brain. That is because when you smile, you have so much muscle in the skull activate, and it activate the brain. Just smiling alone, you're smiling every day, your brain activate. That's all. Okay, when you're so angry and so frustration, so sad, so depression, in the Tao said you can smiling anytime. You even don't happy. You're not happy, you still can smile. Okay, definitely when you're happy, you smile better. You smile good, and you can make yourself always happy and always smile, and you can facing a lot of problem in your life. Nowadays, every country has so many emotional and so many things happen every day. If we listen to all this happening in the world, we get crazy. Okay, so in the Tao said, just learn how to turn inwardly and smile to yourself. We call a creating cycle. So you learn how to smile to the organ in the creating cycle. And very simple, when you put in the creating cycle, each one helping each one, okay? So when you're putting in the conflict cycle, so if we don't do the creating cycle, we have conflict. So everybody creating conflict, okay? We are conflict ourselves. We conflict to the people around us, or the family, or the friends, or other people working together in a company. They always have some conflict. But how can we smile into the conflict? Learn how to smile and dissolve this pressure of conflict, pressure of negative emotional, all the stress, all the tension is so much. But in a Tao state, when you smile, a lot of this kind of pressure, emotional, is started to be going away. You feel the pressure, but you can learn how to smile to dissolve the problem. So I would like to invite you to this summer retreat with this beautiful place, good air, good water, and good chi. You have so many good air. We are away from the city about 24 kilometers only. You have your own world of peace, calm, peace, and energetic place for you. So invite you to come for the summer retreat. I've been set up this Tao Garden for 35 years now. And it's a place where Westerners come here, stay, enjoy the space. So we have about 35 acres of land. We have many big trees. Most of the big trees about more than 350 years old. And we have river, stream flow to the Tao Garden. That is very important because the feng shui in the Tao said wind and water. That means when you have water flow, you have mountain, they have wind. Okay, so the wind and the water make the land a very rich and very energetic power. So the water we have a lot, so tree can grow very big. And even in a dry season, there's still water feeding all the tree and flower, vegetable and everything that we grow here is very natural grow. And we don't need to use any insecticides and everything. In the Tao, we said you have the best, you have good chi, good air, and good water. And you have good life and happy life here. Some people just come here and stay and relax, enjoy the place, and not taking any class. But when we have class, we have many people come here to study, stay here, eat here, exercise in the morning, and I teaching in the daytime. And there are many highly trained instructors help teaching you and guiding you also after when I finish my teaching. So you're learning so much in your life in a very short time.